Let's drum march. And now to welcome the academic today's meaningful occasion. Please welcome on stage Mitali Ne.
ಸುಮಾರು 46 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಪೋಷಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದೇನು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ವಿಷಯವಲ್ಲ. ಇಂದಿನ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಧೂರ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರವರನ್ನು
Swami CEO Kuvempu Bhavan was established in the academic year 2017-18 under the able guidance by the visionary leader and my guru, my teacher.
Today I am here in Bangalore to celebrate the great achievement by Kuvempu Bhavan, that is our branch in Sarkar Nagar. In Kuvempu Bhavan, we offer NEET integrated program for 11th and 12th students. This particular branch was started 3-4 years ago and we have been getting wonderful results from our students. Last year, that is 2024, passed out students from this particular batch, we got 121 selections into the medical colleges. That is 121 out of 283 students. That is almost 42% of the students who have taken integrated program with us, that is Star CO Super Chain and NEET program with us, have bagged medical school admission. So in order to celebrate that, these students are back with us today, gathered in the hall today in order to speak about their experiences as well as to motivate their juniors, from whom we are expecting more than 150 selections into the medical college. This is a huge achievement. We are very proud of our students as well as our staff, who have been not relentlessly working to make the dreams of these students come true. And as all of you know, Narayana is a 46-year-old brand which was started 46 years ago. We have been producing amazing IITians as well as medicos year after year, and we have started our institutions in Bangalore in 2011. We have almost 40,000 students with us in both Narayana E-Technos and Olympiad and CO schools, as well as PU colleges, as well as CBSE colleges. From here, through our integrated programs, we send students to the best of the institutions, world-class institutions in India as well as abroad with scholarship, and that is our USP, and we are so happy here to be present here today to celebrate the achievements of Kuvempu Bhavan of 2024.
ಕುವೆಂಪು ಭವನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ರಂಗಮಂಚಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಧೂರ ಮೇಡಮ್ನೇ ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. ಅಂದರೆ 121 ಸೀಟು 273 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಪಡೆದಿರೋ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೇನು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನೀಟ್ 4% ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂದ 42% ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಿಂದ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಧ್ವರ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಂಧೂರ ಮೇಡಮ್ನ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫೆಲಿಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಒಂದು ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.